Do you work with UN or with NGOs? These are daily words they commonly use. Livelihood, bilateral cooperation, strategic framework, relief assistance. Follow for UN expressions in English and Arabic. Working in a bank or visiting one, you have to learn these words. Account, statement, branch, interest, deposit. Save them and share them if you go to a bank. In discussions, use these to sound advanced. I beg to differ. Let's agree to disagree. That's a valid point. However, use one in your next debate, even with a friend. Do you want to lead a meeting in English? Then you have to learn these expressions. Let's stay on topic. Can we move to the next point? What's the action item here? Stay in touch and share them with a friend. Do you want to sound professional in a meeting? Say this, not that. Give me a sec. Kindly give me a moment. I'm done. I've completed the task. Tag a friend who always mixes formal and informal. How do you say your strengths and weaknesses in an interview? I work well under pressure. My weakness, I focus too much on perfection. Tag someone who's looking for a job. In academic writing, I think is too weak. Use instead, it is evident that research suggests the findings indicate. Follow more for academic expressions. These are 5 expressions in office emails. They will make your emails very professional. I hope this email finds you well. Kindly note that please be advised at your earliest convenience. I look forward to your response. Share this with your coworker ASAP. How to answer, where are you from? Don't say Iraq. Say, I'm from Baghdad, the capital of Iraq. Or, I was born in Baghdad, the capital of Iraq, but I live in Erbil now. Write your version in the comments. This is one of the very common mistakes in English. I have 30 years old and I am 30 years old. Are you saying your age wrong? I have 30 years. I am 30 years old. Like if you've said one of these before. Speaking fluently with linking words is very important for any speaker of English. If you want to sound more fluent, use these linking words. However, although, in addition, on the other hand, use one in the text below and tag me there. Native speakers do not say every word clearly, and that is very normal. Native speakers say, I'm going to go. This is for you. Black and white. The tip, stress the content words, not the grammar. Watch it again and say it with me. Fluency starts here. Present simple is your daily grammar tool. Mastering it is very easy. I work at a bank. She works in a hospital. Just add S for he, she, and it. follow to speak about your daily life in English. Don't be shy to order in a restaurant. Say, I'd like a coffee, please. Can I see the menu? Can we split the bill? Use one of these sentences in English this week and write to me in the comment how it went. Know these words and you will survive any job. Manager, task, meeting, report, promotion. Tag someone who needs these words. Confused between this and these, that and those. This, هذا, these, هؤلاء, that, ذلك, those, أولئك. Use one today and comment below with the one that you used. What do you do every morning? Say it in English. I wake up at 7. I take a shower. I go to work at 9. Record your own and tag me. Yesterday is gone, but can you talk about it in English? I worked. She studied. They traveled. The irregular go is went. Eat is ate. Type one sentence about your day yesterday in the comments. New to English, learn these 5 words. First, name, where, work, eat, help. Follow for more bite-sized English. Have a wonderful day.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
How to answer, where are you from? Don't say Iraq. Say, I'm from Baghdad, the capital of Iraq. Or, I was born in Baghdad, the capital of Iraq, but I live in Erbil now. Write your version in the comments.